I have a Hayward Perflex filter EC65 that is leaking back into the pool. Where do I start?
Who manufactured the pool?
Hayward.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I would like to try.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I just had the pump replaced.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is. Allow me a few moments while I do some research. My recommendation will appear shortly. Usually whenever DA is going back into the pool, it is because one or more of the grids has a hole or a tear or a broken plastic piece, which allows the DA to pass through. The only way to determine the problem is to disassemble the filter completely, wash off the grids and inspect closely. Any bad grid will have to be replaced.
Where can I get replacement parts?
Same thing if it is a cartridge type filter.
It is not a cartridge type filter, it has fingers.
Okay. Let me locate a parts supplier.
I do not need a live phone call at this time since I have not yet taken apart the filter and that will take some time.
Here are links to the manual for reference as well as a parts supplier. You might also be able to get replacement parts from your local pool suppliers as they usually have them in stock. https://haywardpoolassets.com/assets/documents/pools/pdf/parts-diagram/perflex.pdf From CDN equals true https://www.poolpartsonline.com/p86 Hayward Perflex EC30 EC40 filter parts.asps. Ignore the phone call request that comes automatically from Just Answer.
Okay, thank you for your help. What do I need to do if I have more questions after I take apart the filter?
You are most welcome and you can always come back to this question even after it has been rated. I will continue to assist you as best as possible.
I'll have to take apart the pool filter first.
No problem.
I took the filter apart and it does not seem that there are any tears or cracks in the fingers. However, I am missing 2 nuts and bolts in the tube nest. Could this be the problem, and if so, how do I fix this?
If water will circulate through those holes, so will DA. Can you upload a couple of photos showing the missing hardware? You can also take that part down to your pool supplier and see what they have to either replace the parts or plug them up.
I'm having difficulty sending you the photo.
Okay. Best, Dave.
Thank you very much for your help. I brought the top part of the filter to my local pool supplier. They replaced the screws that were missing and 2 O-rings along with acid washing the fingers. My pool is working very well now. I will get back in touch with you if there are any more problems. Hopefully, that won't be until the next pool season.
Excellent, sounds like it was a huge win-win all around. Thanks for the update, I appreciate it. Best, Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.